Don't try and make out with me. I won't try and make out with you. It's gonna be great. Hey guys, I hope that you're having an awesome day today. I'm gonna be chatting with you about festival fever. Everyone's got it and they're giving it to everybody else. Just kidding, it's not a real fever. So festival fever is a term that I've come up with for when people are just kind of like put into close quarters with a bunch of attractive people, and there's sort of like this hormonal biological madness that happens when you have all these people that you're like physically compatible to breed with, and you have like a lot of things in common in life. And it can happen to any one of us, any of us, whether you're in a relationship, not in a relationship. I see so many couples have this realization that maybe they should be polyamorous while they're at a festival. So many. And then it doesn't actually translate into real life. They're just like, oh, wait, there's not constantly other attractive people for me to hook up with in my day-to-day life. So I just want to make you guys aware so that you can enter into your festival experience with the right attitude, you know, because I have seen a lot of people go to the festival and fall in love in 1 week, which is debatable whether that's actually possible or not. And then basically like move to another country to try to make this relationship work, or break up with somebody that they're dating because they met somebody for this 1 week or something. And it is not always, I'm not going to say that it doesn't ever, but it's not always going to translate into real life. And we need to be aware that the festival version of ourselves and of other people might be different than who we are in our day-to-day life at home and who these other people are in their day-to-day life, and what your actual desires are long-term. So when you're at a festival, you're meeting a lot of amazing, cool people, and you're like, oh my gosh, we have so much in common. And you're like grabbing at straws to like make all these things that you have in common. You're like, oh my gosh, like I like that movie too. Like we should make out. But in reality, the fact that you guys like the same movie and you have the same favorite fruit doesn't mean that you're compatible to live together. So absolutely hook up with people. Absolutely enjoy yourself. Absolutely let your feelings run wild. But also enter into it without expectations of other people and what you need from them. Because as much as all those feelings can be real, I have seen many times people travel long distances for other people only to arrive there and for them to realize like, oh, like I actually don't feel that way anymore. I don't feel the same way that I felt when we were at the festival together, and I didn't have to work, and I didn't have to think about food, and I didn't have to really take care of myself that much, and we were just playing and there was no stress. People realize that they don't actually feel the same way. So enter into these situations knowing that that is possible. Of course, there are absolutely people that have met at festivals and ended up getting married, which is amazing. But they have gone about it in a way where, you know, it's worked for them, and every individual is going to be different. So yeah, you might meet somebody, you might fall in love and feel like you're super compatible, but then you might absolutely have your heart broken, or you might realize later you thought you had this amazing connection with someone, and then you find out that they actually have a boyfriend or a girlfriend that they didn't tell you about. Oh my gosh, that happens. It totally happens. So it's super fun. It's super great to play at these festivals. But in real life, we are not surrounded with all these people that we're super compatible with. It's amazing to create a community of people, but even if you have that, you still need to be careful. Like, we have an amazing community of people here, and I would say I find a lot of my friends attractive, but it doesn't mean that I'm gonna hook up with a lot of my friends, because we all have lives that we need to live. We have relationships, there's couples, and we all want to secure long-term health of our community. And so having a lot of different hookups can be fun, but as you get older, it can also create a lot of drama. And so I want people to, I guess, understand and not have expectations of other people and of yourself, whatever, so that we can avoid unnecessary drama. And there's a lot of people that are doing this really successfully. I would say Connor and Brittany are a really great example of people that have sort of like worked through a lot of their stuff. And they're able to go to these festivals and enjoy really deep connections on various levels with different people and avoid a lot of jealousy. And obviously they have their stuff that they work through, but there's, you know, those of us who, we can't do that. We go there with our partner. We want to enjoy them. Like, yes, you know, I might see like some cute dude doing yoga or something like that, but that doesn't mean I need to hook up with him that week. That doesn't mean that I have to satisfy that urge. Because it doesn't always turn out very well. Even if you get what you want in the moment, it doesn't always turn out to be how you envisioned it while you were high on fruit, high on love, high on hugs, and high on vacation. Vacation mode and real life mode are two different worlds. Yes, we can start to merge them a little bit more, but just be aware of this. So I guess that's really it. That's really all I wanted to share with you guys on that topic. To just really enter into your festival experiences with a, you know, not protecting yourself. You definitely want to have authentic experiences, but just with an awareness, maybe a new awareness of your actual life, keeping that in the back of your mind. Of like, this is who I really am. This is really what I need and desire. And just because I'm super attracted to this person and very compatible with them on a physical level, you know, do I really want to tell them that I love them? Do I really want to tell them that I want to be with them forever and say whatever I can to just, you know, take this a step further? Really think about that. Also, I just want to mention too that just because I'm talking about this and warning you guys about the festival fever, it doesn't mean that I'm above all of it as well. I've also had my own experiences with it, and so I just wanted to let you guys know that's why I'm talking about it, is because I've had my own personal experiences. I've been able to watch my friends. I've been to almost every single fruit festival. I see what happens. I see how it goes. So I'm just letting you guys know so that you can have a better experience. And yeah, if you guys want to come to the Woodstock Fruit Festival, where there is so much more awesomeness to it than just hookups, which are one really cool part of it. That is a cool part of it. But there's a lot of cool, fun stuff happening. There's a lot of different sports going on, water sports, trampoline in the water, yoga classes, and amazing raw foods, and so many cool like-minded people that you can connect with and develop friendships as well, platonic friendships. So if you like hugs, if you like smiles, if you like fruit, fitness, sun, fun, come join us at the Woodstock Fruit Festival. And I hope to see you guys there. If you want to get $100 off your ticket, you can enter the discount code LOVE when you sign up, LOVE. So comment down below. Let me know if you've had your own festival fever funny story to share with me. Don't mention any names. Keep the names private. And yeah, comment down below. Let me know if you're going to be coming to the next Woodstock Fruit Festival. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe to see me next week, and I can see you. And I'll see you in another video soon. Bye.